welcome to the channel, guys. Today is the inaugural Planespotting at Perth, like long videos that will redefine the Planespotting at Perth series. But today we are spotting Cathay Pacific Retro. Let's go. So as we go up now, I've actually seen this plane before, but it was with the old livery, so before it had the new livery that it has now, the retro livery. So can't wait to see this. Alright, so we're at the deck and we got a nice view here. All the aircraft, especially of all the Qantas planes. Got a Virgin Australia 737 parked up at 163, and if we turn over here, there it is, Cathay Retro. It's been about 10 minutes and the plane's pushing back from gate 154 in Perth, and we'll be flying to Hong Kong today as CPA 182. So it's now began to taxi to runway 06, which I didn't know at the time. But this is one of the coolest liveries I've ever seen, especially a retro livery on an A340. In the video you can hear my camera shutter. If you want to see the photos, stay tuned till the end, where I will show you the photos of the Cathay Pacific Retro plane. As you can see, it's got the 80th sticker on the back and the green and white stripes on the tail. While we wait, we have a Qantas Link A320 moving into 153. This could be the first time and last time I see this plane in many months, as I might not be able to see it soon, as I'll only be able to spot on the weekend soon. So this is not good, but at least we've seen it. And up into the air, the majestic A350 goes on her way back to Hong Kong. Right, so now we have a Bombardier Global 6000 with the registration November 9 Papa Sierra that is flying on a route from Perth to Cebu under the code name Axel 99. Once again, here is the Qantas Link A320 that had been severely delayed in 153. And look at this, we've got an Alliance Fokker 100 coming down taxiway Sierra. So this is a cool sight to see. There'll definitely be some photos of this later. Here goes that A320 pushing back as it's going to begin its service for the day. And now we have a Qantas Freight A330 getting towed to 156 for the departure to Hong Kong, with the registration Victor Hotel Echo Bravo Echo. Here it is parked up at 156 when I went to go out to see it, which was pretty cool, to say the least. Right, so we have Qatar Airways Boeing 777 today now arriving, which will be going into gate 150 as it nearly always does. The 777's registration is of Alpha 7 Bravo Echo India and is arriving as Virgin Australia Flight 22 from Doha. This service is a fairly new route, operating for only around 2 to 4 months now. Maybe, well, when I say 2 to 4, I mean like almost half a year. and is part of a new expansion for Virgin Australia in their services, expanding elsewhere. We also have the AirAsia A340 parked up now at 153 after the departure of the Qantas link. Okay, so we're moving spots now to get taxi photos of South African Airways. So hopefully security doesn't come and move us, so that'll be a bit annoying. But I think I've got a plan where I can avoid security and still get the photos I want, so yep. Okay, we're at the spot now, and we have a Singapore Boeing 787, as well as many ATRs, Saab 340s, Fokker 100s, Fokker 70s, all parked up, and even the South African A340, which is the reason I came to the spot. That's gonna be it, guys, for this video. Make sure you like and subscribe so I can make more of these videos. Anyways, see you guys in the next episode.